Hey, lovely people out there. I greet you from wherever you are tuning in. These are short braids hairstyles that have been the best in 2025. Please watch this video, and I swear to you, you're gonna love it. You're gonna love these beautiful short braids hairstyles. They are so wow. They are so protective, light, and of course trending. If it's your very first time, make sure you subscribe and also click on the notification bell. Please don't forget to like, share, and comment. Let me know about your best. And if there is any hairstyle that you want me to do for you or a tutorial, my comment section is open. Please make sure you go into the comment section and let me know. I am JK, a professional hairstylist, a hairdresser, and the CEO of Hair Crown UG. In case you want to have a hairstyle with us, with Hair Crown UG, you can always WhatsApp me. My number is plus 256 779 89 42 59. By the way, we are on all social media platforms, that is to say TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. You can follow us and you can recommend our social media platforms to all your friends. These are the best bob braids hairstyles for 2025. Enjoy this video, and don't forget, we upload new videos every single day. So when you subscribe, make sure you click on the notification bell for the uploads that are coming soon. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year of 2026. Remember, this channel is all about hair, and more new trends are coming very soon. Please watch this video to the end.